Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. One of the major process improvements that has happened within the IT industry is the integration of DevOps into the software development lifecycle. In this video we will look at DevOps and how it impacts software development. DevOps bridges the gap between development and operations, promoting continuous integration and delivery. It aligns practices, tools, and mindsets, revolutionizing software development and driving better performance and customer satisfaction. DevOps enhances collaboration between development and IT operations through automation and integration. It aims for rapid, reliable software deployment using various tools and frameworks. Key goals include faster market delivery, improved quality, and seamless workflows. DevOps focuses on breaking down silos and promoting collaboration among development, operations, QA, and other stakeholders throughout the software lifecycle. Automation is key in DevOps. Continuous integration merges code changes and tests them automatically. Continuous deployment automates the release process, allowing rapid changes with minimal manual effort. Infrastructure as code, IAC, in DevOps involves treating infrastructure like code. Tools such as Terraform, Ansible, and CloudFormation help achieve consistency, scalability, and repeatability. DevOps emphasizes real-time monitoring of application performance and health, using tools like Prometheus, Grafana, and ELK Stack. Feedback loops are established for continual improvement, allowing teams to quickly identify and resolve issues. Automation in DevOps automates repetitive tasks such as testing and deployment, and manages infrastructure efficiently. This leads to more reliable processes and frees up valuable time for innovation. DevOps accelerates release cycles by enabling rapid and frequent updates. This reduces time to market for new features and bug fixes. Teams can continuously deploy updates, swiftly responding to customer feedback and market demands. DevOps promotes enhanced collaboration and reduces silos by fostering a culture of teamwork and shared responsibility. Development and operations teams work together, aligning their goals and focusing on delivering high-quality software efficiently. Automated testing and continuous monitoring help detect and resolve issues early, ensuring consistent deployment practices and leading to more reliable software. Scalability and resilience are enhanced through infrastructure as code and automation, allowing applications to scale and meet changing demands. DevOps practices ensure consistent deployments, reducing downtime and increasing resilience. DevOps processes enhance customer satisfaction by quickly implementing feedback, fixing issues, and rolling out new features. This speed and reliability create a better experience for end users. DevOps enhances cost efficiency by automating routine tasks and optimizing resource utilization. This reduces wasted effort and operational costs, leading to greater efficiency and ROI. DevOps is a transformative approach that emphasizes collaboration, automation, continuous delivery, and feedback. It breaks down barriers, streamlines workflows, and empowers teams to release software faster, improve reliability, and meet customer needs, leading to better software performance and organizational agility. Well, that is for this video. I hope it has given you some good ideas of how you might integrate DevOps processes in your organization. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you would like to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to our channel.